Hey guys, so we are in week number 3. So I am in the 30K round. So I'm really happy. So the goal in this video is to for this week is to get to 40K. And but I think I will be able to do it because I literally have like 2 more days to work, and then I'll be on vacation for 10 days, so I'll have a lot of time. So the right now I just released the week number 2, which is day 10 to 16 vlog, so hopefully you guys watch that. And but guys, I'm starting to miss the coffee shop, and I talked about it a little bit in that video. The video wasn't as long as I thought. It was like 12 minutes. I was like, did I lose footage or something? But I realized I didn't talk as much in that vlog. But this one I hope to like maybe dig in more of the process of the characters I'm creating, and how I'm feeling and stuff like that. So I will talk about more of that, but it will be probably when I start my vacation, because I feel like I don't have that much time, so I just want to get in right and keep it pushing for the day, and to pick up the camera and just do a lot of talking. I don't want to really do that, but I feel like once I'm on vacation, I'm more relaxed. I can do that and really explain certain things of the process of the characters I'm creating, the storyline. So today, I'm hoping to do at least 1,500. Maybe I mean the goal would be 2,000, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. Right now, I'm really tired. Oops, sorry, and I want to just start writing. So yes. So anyway, this is where I'm at right now, guys. And yeah. Hey guys, so we are in day 3. No, see, I'm out of it. Day 19. So I started the day off at about 3,300, and now I'm over 35. So I've been writing since I wrote early this morning because I was off yesterday. Today's my last day of work, so I'm off the next 10 days. So I'm hoping to just enjoy it and write until I get to the 50K. Most likely the story is going to be more than 50K, but the goal is to get to 50K for this month. But today was also that moment when I realized how I want to end a story. So that's never happened before this early on. It's always I get to a point before I realize how I want to end it, way towards the end. But I literally remembered there's a particular scene I wrote, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is how we're gonna end this. So I'm super happy that at least I know the ending. I just need to work my way to the end. So that's where I'm at with this, and you guys will see this video after, but I also had my reaction to the Man Booker, so go check it out. I was just editing the video a few minutes ago, and I'm looking at my reaction. Yeah, I had a reaction, guys. So anyway, I am going to move on. My mom made some sorrel, so I'm going to drink some sorrel. I can't put any alcohol in there tonight, but tomorrow I will, and I'm going to enjoy it. So anyway, yeah, that's where we at. Getting there.
Is that out? You know, is it judgment? Is it judgment and spirit that brings up that conclusion?
Hey guys, so today's day 21. Yesterday was a bummer because initially I was all set and ready to head to my family coming Monday. So then I got a rude awakening that they had a updated travel restriction. So basically, if I go to my parents' house, I have to quarantine when I come back for 14 days, or I would have to take the COVID test within 72 hours. If not, you can possibly get fined up to $300, some crap like that. So I thought about it. I'm like, do I really want to go through hassle of that? Because one, my job is not going to pay me if I get quarantined. And then about that, I want my money. Or do I really want to go through the whole testing process? Absolutely not, unless I need to go through the process. And at this point, I don't think I need to go to any of that process because I know I'm 100% sure I don't have anything. With that said, I will be by myself for Thanksgiving. So I will be staying home and wait till December. Sorry. January, that would kill me. So December, I have a little over 3 weeks off for vacation time. So I have enough time to go see my family and to quarantine. So I just decided that it's, my mom actually just left like about an hour ago. So we had time to talk about it yesterday, and she just felt like it's not even worth it coming just to eat and be with the family for a few days when I have all this vacation time coming up next month. So that's what I'm going to do. It is going to be my first time by myself, completely by myself. I have spent Thanksgiving away from my family before when I went to, when I was in college, undergraduate years. I was undergraduate. I spent time mainly with other people's family or by myself because Thanksgiving was so close to Christmas and I didn't have money like that to pay for a flight because I went to school all the way in Georgia. So I didn't have money to be paying for a flight from Georgia to New York for Thanksgiving and then turn around and do the same thing for Christmas. So I never came home for Thanksgiving. So I've been around, not being around my family, but since I've been out of school, which has been many years, I've been the cook. I am the person that cook for Thanksgiving. So it just dawned on me as well when my mom was talking about they're not going to be having no Thanksgiving dinner either because the cook is not going to be there. So, and I don't think they're going to really want to even do that without me there. They're a little bit bummed out. My mom's bummed out about it. But we're positive because we know it is what it is. We know 2020 has been disappointing in so many ways that this is just another addition to the drama. And to be honest, it's not the end of the world because Thanksgiving is just an American holiday, to be honest. I just like the cooking aspect and sitting down and eating with the family, and that's something I always look forward to. And I'm just gonna be cooking for myself. So now I have to go to the store because I didn't plan on buying any groceries and anything at all because I thought I was gonna be here for next week. So now I have to actually run to the store, get some groceries, get some stuff because I won't be doing that. So then I also thought about my bathroom. I had a DIY project that I wanted to do, and I think I'm gonna just start it for the week. That's gonna be my little project I'm gonna do for the week to repaint my bathroom and do some minor work and keep myself occupied. I went through my closet this morning and donated a whole bunch of sweaters that I just don't wear anymore. Really good sweaters from like J. Crew. I think I had some Calvin Klein, and I forgot what the other brands I had, but really good sweaters that I just dumped in a bag and gave my mom so she can she works with a charity that does stuff. So I've been busy today, so writing has not happened today, but I'm on vacation now, so I know I will definitely get it done and get there. I'm currently over 36K. The goal was to get 40 by Monday, and I definitely think it can happen. I'm a night writer, so that's probably still gonna not change because I'm probably gonna end up writing tonight. But yeah, but I'm gonna tie this up. I just posted my video for my Booker reaction, so go check it out. It'll be out already by the time this comes out, and then I'm going to go and get some groceries and something to eat. My God, 2020 is a shit show. Absolutely a shit show. So anyway, yeah guys, until next. Hey guys, so we are on day number 22. So I just finished my live, guys. It was such a good live. I really appreciate those who came out and chat with me about journaling, and it went by pretty quickly. It was like an hour. So yeah, so I need to do my journal entry for the day, and I'm going to do some writing. Hopefully I can hit 2K tonight. I am pushing it right now because it is late. But where I'm going with the story, I know I definitely can pull in 2K. Even though I'm a little tired. But yeah, but also guys, my friends are funny because pretty much I was complaining about the fact that I'm going to be spending Thanksgiving alone, and one of my friends was like, well, for her job she has to get tested all the time. She said it's not as bad as it used to be, because the videos I see how they shoving that thing up somebody's nose, I just know I'm going to pass out. Somebody did that to me. But she said they don't go as far up anymore. So it's definitely not as bad as it was in the beginning. So she said, you know, if I have to take tests, she said just relax. It's really not that bad. So that's what I'm going to go on for next month if I have to take the test. But definitely not going to go for Thanksgiving because it's just not worth it. The time is too short to go through all of that. Then my other friend had me laughing because she said, well, what are you complaining about? You introvert. All you do is go to your parents' house and hang out in your room. And and I was like, yeah, I do, but it's different. I think people don't realize because you're an introvert that, you know, you choose to spend time alone with yourself. You choose to be in your space alone, versus when something like this happened where you're forced to be in your space alone. It doesn't feel the same. It doesn't feel like you're making that decision. It just feels like someone else is making it for you. So it is a little frustrating. But other than that, I'm in a good mood. I am going to do some journaling, get some writing done. Probably not going to start writing for a while. I'm going to do my journal entry now and then write later. But yeah, so yeah, and I saved my live, so if you're curious and you want to see how it went, go ahead and check out my Instagram, and you can go watch the live show that I did today. So yeah, that's where we at. Whew. Hey guys, so this is day 23 and I hit the 40K. Thank God. I have been struggling this month, like really struggling. And this month, oh goodness, see what I need sleep. This week, this week I've been struggling, guys. I'm looking at my stats. And none of these days, well, one day I had over 2K. I had 2,328. And that was on Thursday. But everything else have been horrible. We're talking, one day was like 605 words. And it was just barely making it. Literally only had 2 good days, which is 2,000, and I had a 1,700 day. But all of them are like 1,000, 1,200, 1,300. In comparison to the week before, where I had a lot of 2Ks, a lot of over 2,000 words. I didn't even get to calculate to see how much, but I got to the 40K. I think this week is gonna be fine because the route I'm taking now, I should be able to write and I should be alright. So I'm hopeful that I don't struggle as much. And then now that I got all the things that I wanted to do for the week as far as shopping, I finished my food shopping today, and I don't plan on leaving the house for the next few days. I have no reason to because I have everything I need here. And I also got a lot of online shopping that I wanted to do. I got that out of the way because I know these items are going to take a long time to be shipped, and I wanted to get here by a certain date. So I was kind of like, got that over with. So I'm completely free now. No distraction. no work because I'm on vacation. So I should be able to get to that 50K within a few days. I don't think I'm gonna surpass last year, because last year I was done. I got to the 50K on the 25th. We are now going into the 24th, and I still have 10K, well, little under 10K to go. So I don't see myself doing that, but getting it done before the 30th is definitely something I know I can do. I just need to be on the grind for the next few days. And yeah, and the way I just ended this particular chapter, it's just, I love the way I ended it, and I can't wait to get into the next chapter and some other things going on. So yeah, I'm pulling through, guys. I don't know how you guys are doing with your 9-0. Are you okay? And I know a lot of my issue is because I'm writing at home. I said this before, I'm a coffee shop writer. I am a scenery writer, sitting home and writing, and it's more difficult for me, and you can see it happening. It's just, I got bored. To the point now, I literally wrote today on the floor. I don't even want to show you guys, but I have a little bedding situation that I created on the floor that I'm looking at. That just looks a mess. I need to clean that up. But I have pillows and blankets and stuff on the floor, and I was on the floor writing. That's what I was able to do today, because I'm just so trying to focus and change up my scenery a little bit, because again, this home writing is killing me. I cannot wait for this freaking thing to be over with, that we can all go back to our normal life, because this is just not it. But anyway, I'm going to end this here. Let me know how you guys are doing, and what are some of the things that you miss with your writing process, or were you always a homebody writing person? Let me know. I'm just curious to see if anybody else is like me, that's definitely affected by not being able to be in an outdoor setting. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.